Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update your computer drivers on Windows 11. So I will tell you the simple steps which will help you out. So guys, go to the search bar and search for device manager. Search it, device manager, and you can see on the first one, click on it, open it. Now maximize this window, and in the left side you can see all the listed driver list. So you have to search for computers. Here it is. Double click on it and you can see the two options here. So go to the first one, right click on it, and you can see the update driver option. And now after clicking on the update driver, you can see the two options here: search automatically for drivers as well as browse my computer for drivers. So you have to click on first one, and in my case I have already installed the latest drivers. You can check in your PC or laptop whether you got update or not. After checking this up, close this window and go to the search bar, and this time you have to move to settings. So search for settings, open settings. Now in the left side you can see all the listed settings, so you have to go to the last one, which is Windows Update. Click on it and go to the check for updates option. So it will take to 20-25 seconds for checking the latest drivers on for your computer drivers. Till then you can like my video and subscribe to my channel. I keep bringing the best videos out there on Windows 11 which will keep your PC safe and smooth. And okay, so you can see my computer drivers up to date and my Windows 11 is up to date. You can check in your PC or laptop whether you got update or not. So if you got an update, just download and install it, and it will help you out in smooth working. And guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.